Let me tell you a secret. The most beautiful Christmas decorations I've ever owned didn't come from a store. They came from moments like this. Late night, a quiet table, simple materials, and a heart that refuses to give up on magic. You know, life gets busy. Bills, stress, responsibilities. Sometimes Christmas doesn't feel like Christmas anymore. But every year, I sit down with simple materials, a wire ring, soft yarn, a little ribbon, and suddenly the world slows down again. As I wrap this yarn around the wreath, I'm reminded of the small things that used to make me happy. Not gifts, not shopping, just moments. The smell of dinner on Christmas Eve, the sound of laughter in the house, the warmth of people who loved me even when life was hard. We didn't grow up with fancy decor. We didn't have luxury stores or big budgets, but somehow the house always felt beautiful. My mother could take one roll of ribbon and make the whole living room feel like Christmas morning. And that taught me something important. Magic is not bought, it's created. So when I craft this wreath, it's not just a decoration, it's a piece of my heart. It's a reminder that even simple things, yarn, ribbon, wire, can turn into something meaningful. And maybe you're watching this because you need a moment of calm too. Maybe this season feels heavy. Maybe life has been stressful. Or maybe you just need a reminder that you're still allowed to create beauty, even in difficult times. You don't need the perfect home. You don't need a big budget. You don't even need everything to be okay. All you need is a little creativity, a little courage, and a few minutes to breathe. This wreath, made from Dollar Tree ribbon and soft yarn, is my quiet message to you. You are capable of making something beautiful, even with simple things, even with a simple moment. So as the yarn tightens and the ribbon falls into place, I hope you feel it too. That soft reminder of peace, that little spark of Christmas, that whisper that says, you're doing the best you can, and that is enough. Merry Christmas, from my craft table to your home. you for spending a little Christmas magic with me today. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to share more Vlogmas creations with you. Merry Christmas from my craft table to your home.